I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. We all love a good burrito bowl. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect slow cooker Chipotle beef to make the perfect burrito bowl. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. For today's recipe, I am using chuck roast. As you can see, I had went and cut it into half so it can fit into my cast iron. So now what I'm doing is just basically oil the chuck roast before seasoning. Next, season with adobo seasoning, season with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika. And guys, as you can see, this is already looking flavorful, so you know it's gonna be tasty. So now, over medium heat using a cast iron, add some oil. You can also use a skillet if you would like. Now that it is nice and hot, add your beef, and we're going to sear for about 7 to 8 minutes per side. Slice some onions. Slice your bell peppers. This is how our meat is looking after we are done searing. So now, add them to your crock pot. Using the same cast iron, add your onions. And your minced garlic. And this is over medium low, so go ahead and turn the heat down, and we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are going to add some apple cider vinegar to it, and make sure that you shake it really well to get the mother mixed with the apple cider. Give that a stir. After you are done deglazing the cast iron, this is how it's looking. Now pour it over your meat. After adding in your onions, add your diced tomatoes, diced green chilies, season with some cumin, oregano, chipotle powder, black pepper, some crushed red peppers, paprika, and adobo seasoning. Now make sure that you mix that in. Now add your bay leaves. And just make sure that it is submerged because we want to get all that flavor. Add your lid. Turn on your crock pot, and we are going to set this for 6 hours on high. So this is how it's looking. We still have about 40 minutes left, so I am going in. Doesn't this look amazing? Look at that. So go ahead and shred the beef in here. So this is how it's looking. So go ahead and give it a taste to make sure that it doesn't need any additional seasoning. So this is pretty much done. I know I still have about 30 minutes left of this cooking time, but this is pretty much done. I'm just going to cover it. Now we are going to saute our bell peppers with some onions. So go ahead and add a little bit of oil to that cast iron and throw your bell peppers in. While we are cooking our bell peppers, I just wanted to show you guys that I had already went and cooked some white rice that we are going to be using in our burrito bowl. After 4 minutes, go in with your onion. After cooking your onion with the bell peppers for about a minute, go in with some adobo seasoning and a squeeze of lime juice. This is how our veggies are looking. That looks great. So now you can go ahead and turn off the heat. Hello guys, so my Chipotle beef burrito bowl is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? As you can see, I had went and dressed this up with some avocado, some salsa, chopped jalapeno, some lettuce, and rice, guys. And of course, you saw the bell peppers that I went and sauteed. Guys, this recipe is foul-proof, super easy to make, and so delicious, guys. And I cannot wait to enjoy it. The beef is cooked to perfection, guys. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. It is the best. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.